This is our new tram assist bracket. In order to use it, you'll first need to remove your dust boot, and then you'll need to install 2 M8 bolts into the left and right threads. Just tighten them in by hand. Get them snug up against your plate. Like so, and we're ready to go. So to adjust tram, we want to loosen the bolts. With this tram assist system, you can leave one bolt tight and have the other bolts with slight pressure on the plate so that it doesn't fully come off. Once that's adjusted, you can tighten these by hand again. If your bolts are loose, then it will move up freely, or you can use a little more leverage with the use of an Allen key. As you tighten the right side, our indicator should release it up further. If you want to adjust the left-hand side, you can use your left-hand bolt to do it. Once you've done tightening up your bolts, it's very important to remove the adjustment bolts before reinstalling your dust boot onto your spindle. With this feature, it allows us to remove the guesswork out of tramming these spindles. We can screw in very precisely the exact adjustment we need to move, raising up, left or right-hand side.